Rise and shine, now you're like nobody else. Go on and smile, it's good to be yourself. Feel the party rising in your skin. It's time, you know, to begin again. Let's turn it up and let the music play. 'Cause honey, it's a brand new day. I know it's gonna be okay. 'Cause honey, it's a brand new day.
More than a wish, commitment namin ni Mommy and Daddy sa'yo, baby, na supportahan ka namin sa lahat ng every step na pagdadaanan mo sa buhay. And then, syempre, gagawin namin lahat ng best namin para ma-provide, mabigay sa'yo lahat ng pangangailangan mo.
Wish ko lang kay baby is good health kasi yun ang pinaka-importante sa akin dahil health is wealth.
I love you, we love you. Happy birthday!